see it.
I will too, don't worry. Okay. See, there's cows. I told you. Are we gonna do an intro? Oh, fuck off,
Oh,
try.
I'm frozen again.
I guess it's too late. Actually, it's not too late. Did you record the intro, like the one that Kowalski did?
Yeah.
Oh, then we don't need to do an intro.
I keep freezing.
Like FPS?
Bad.
Oh no. Don't make me solo.
Oh. I think I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, I should be fine.
Well, Minecraft music just started off.
I never enable that.
Mine's at 2%. Oh my god, the crafting lag is the worst part of all this.
Oh, I'm frozen again.
Is it internet or FPS? Okay. Try.
This is crazy.
Oh, I thought you like timed out or something.
Oh, yeah, I don't.
What is it just your Minecraft freezing?
It's my internet.
Oh. Give it a reboot. If you really need to. Doesn't matter.
Dad will probably get mad at me. He's like, what are you doing with the router or whatever?
Oh, is your dad
I'm just
using
resetting it? Yeah. He has it like right next to his computer.
That's probably why. Is he using it right now?
I don't know.
Just kick him off of it. If he is, then you're good.
Kick him off. DDoS him.
Yep, just DDoS. Well, then you'd be DDoSing yourself.
Well, he has a different IP, I don't know.
Oh, that's true. I'm a bit rusty. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I haven't done any
You don't play
PvP
very often anymore, do you?
No. I'm, not the UHC fan anymore.
All changes after a while.
Yep. But whatever. I got 4 level already. Oh yeah, it's best PvE.
4, yeah. Just really surprised someone hasn't taken stupid damage yet.
Yeah, same. I'm probably gonna. I always take fall damage.
Ew. We're gonna have to kill these pigs. Killing pigs.
I'm just killing every animal.
Oh, okay. I got frame lag there. My internet hasn't frozen in a while. Like,
don't jinx
3
it,
minutes
man.
or something. So. Oh, I just jinxed it.
Oh my god. I told you not to do it.
It wasn't my fault.
It was all your fault.
It was more cows.
I'm gonna cook some food and cut down trees.
Need to get sugarcane.
Oh yeah, that's true.
We don't get a chance.
Then we're
Really
screwed. I'm not a huge fan of this whole EU thing. Me and EU games, me and American games don't even go well, internet-wise. No, it's EU.
I usually get good enough ping on any American server.
I have my internet just crashes every day, all the time.
Yeah, mine used to be like that.
But I'm moving, and I'll actually get high speed, so that will be fun. Did you get any feathers?
6.
I have 4.
That's 20 for each of us. That's not terrible.
Well, for an EU
You
game,
can pick up other people's arrows.
That's true. Thing is,
Oh,
now that like the lower ping you get, the better you are at sword. Now it's like for EU games, it's so hard because you can't just sword rush because you'll get wrecked in melee. But like in 1.6, before this whole ping thing or sprint
Yeah.
key was there, if you were laggy, you'd be god at melee. I just block hit because block hitting automatically makes you good. And I'm bad at melee, so I just
like
do it.
really good in open area.
Yeah, I do it all the time.
I tried it, and it's really not. It doesn't work for me.
You need to
It
do
might
it.
work for other people.
You need to be a pro, and then you could do it. I need to go look for some sugarcane at the shore here.
Found 5.
No, okay. I got an apple. A single apple.
Nice.
There's sheep everywhere. I don't like sheep.
My throat right now.
You're gonna throw up? Did you just say that?
No, my throat.
Oh.
I said my throat right now.
I think you said I'm gonna throw up right now.
I felt like I was gonna throw up earlier, but
that's
that was
crazy.
for like a minute.
You're just gonna be fighting, then you just puke all over your screen. That'd be pretty hot.
That'd be really bad.
That'd be pretty funny though. After it's all over.
Only if I was recording webcam.
Oh god. Okay, then it. I want to do that, but like, not the throwing up part, just the webcam part. But I don't have a webcam.
I don't even have webcam.
Neither. I found more chicken. Okay, they don't drop feathers.
Is that you over there? It is.
Yay.
That's Sergeant Gnome.
Oh. Oh.
Man,
Why
I've
does my
done
Minecraft
played
do
for
this?
a while though. What?
Every time I like break a block in a certain area, all the blocks just like disappear.
He's just getting his first stone.
Alright, hold up. I need to reset my Minecraft. Holy fuck, I almost started an Enderman. It's been like freezing all the time.
Oh. Maybe it's your new computer?
No, it was never like this before. I don't know. Whatever. Probably like getting overheated or something. I don't know shit about computers, so I don't even know how to fix that.
Yeah, computers.
I found a bit
You
more
build yours, or?
chickens. No. I just finished saying I don't know shit about computers.
Oh, still, like, have someone build it.
Yeah, I
Buy
know.
all the parts.
I guess. I'm gonna upgrade it when I move. Well, that's my plan, at least. Because computers fucking get out of date after like a month.
Not necessarily, I mean. You've got really...
Like, I mean, there's always 10 times better stuff after a month. Yeah, I was literally just about to say, shouldn't we be getting our hearts soon?
Oh, wait, is it every 5 minutes or something?
Every 10.
Oh, so it's gonna turn nighttime.
Yep.
Oh.
We should probably meet up.
Yeah, I'm negative 270, 360.
Alright, stay
I've got
there.
2 apples.
Oh, I see you.
Maybe... Oh, is that you over there?
Yeah.
Okay, it is.
I'm a coming. Let me get some sticks from these birch trees.
Yeah, that's what I do. I just burn all the birch trees into sticks.
Yep. Wait, how many apples did you say you got?
2.
Oh, I have 1.
There's a cave over there.
Yeah, I would rather go in the... There's Sergeant Gnome. And Preamble.
They're running the other way, though.
Yeah, we should Should we go? I just want to see where they go. Stalking. They see us. Hee 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 hee. I'm just playing in
Can't
F5
see them
mode.
anymore.
Long Avita took damage. I don't see him anymore.
Oh, he's taking a lot of damage.
Alright, let's come over here.
Oh, is he like poisoned or something? Poisoned, I think.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, he has to be. Oh, why am I still in F5? Whoa.
Did he want to... Oh, this works.
Yep. How lucky. Poor Longa, man.
He's at half a heart already.
My iron.
Nice cave.
I know, it's the best game I've ever seen.
Start digging down.
Who's Longa's teammate? Let's see. Burning Tramps, alright.
I don't understand.
Should I block
They
off like
out in
the...
ocean.
Yeah, I could block this
Oh,
off.
if you want to.
Hey! Preamble
You
took
just saw
damage. Yeah, they're probably like fighting spiders.
Yeah. No, we probably should have done that. Oh, there's lava here.
I don't think we
I just
should
had
have.
I
I'm
just had a block glitch.
not down for getting
Oh,
spiders
lava.
on an EU server without armor.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, I just blocked it off as natural as I could. Probably does not look that good, but whatever.
Yeah.
You need to dig down at Y40. Or Y39. Preamble's at 95, Longa's at 5. Hey, they could combine
Yeah.
their health and then one of them
If we
would
had
be
100.
10.
Like, lava below me, and I want to dig to it, since I saw it through a block, like an error, like, you know how when you're
Yeah.
mining, and then the blocks just flash,
Yeah.
and you're suddenly aware of everything around you.
Found some coal.
Oh, thanks.
I hope we don't run into them in a cave or something.
Bad. Unless we see them first.
Yeah, then it's better. Then you just block, hit, and critical, and GG, they're done. I literally have a recorded run right after this.
Oh. I had one before this at like 2 a.m.
Oh,
I was
God.
Like, no. It was also an EU.
Oh, wow.
I just told them no.
No. Not happening.
They also had to wake up really early for this one.
Why? What time is it for you?
It's like 10 o'clock.
Oh. It's like 1:30 for me. Let me check, actually. Yeah, it's 1:35. I'm a genius. Holy Matt, man. I like how it tells you when someone takes damage.
Aren't they gonna be Team Iron Man?
Yeah. That's why they're all saying RIP Iron Man.
Wait, I didn't.
Holly's at 100. He only took 5%. I just found a redstone.
Yes. A win.
It's all over.
Like nothing here.
I know, this is annoying. Dig to that lava.
Did I?
Just like dig straight down. And if you don't find it, then whatever.
Okay, I'll dig to the lava. It's like in the middle of my staircase. I actually have to check my recording, but I believe it's around here.
Don't check your recording. Don't be that cheaty.
Not allowed to look back in time.
No. I have a bit of iron, so I'm just gonna smelt it.
Oh, I hear it.
GG.
I hear it. Found iron.
Start
Probably the
cooking
best
my
first
stuff.
episode of a recorded round.
Wait, what?
Best first episode of a
I
recorded
know,
round,
man.
isn't it?
Well, all first episodes are boring.
Oh, sometimes they're cool.
If it's Minecraft, because they
Oh
always
no.
fight.
No, I'm gonna wait till I get a water bucket.
Why is it all like...
I don't want to bridge over lava on an EU server.
Yeah, that's true.
Go down there.
First episode
things
should be
will
done
happen.
over soon, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Making a chest plate.
I'm gonna make a bucket.
Okay. Do you know where our water source is?
The surface?
I guess. I'll dig down another way. Just because I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna make an iron pick. Screw it.
Oh, I should probably make an iron pick too. Like shears.
Do
Okay,
not
never
make
mind.
shears. Oh, I thought
Made a
you said.
bucket. Yeah, I thought I did, but then crafting lag and all.
Be careful out there. It's dangerous.
I hear a spider.
That's good.
I hear a pig.
That's also good.
Pig will protect me.
The pig will guard you.
Okay, it'd be fine.
Don't take damage, try.
I'm not gonna. I'm gonna find a mine shaft, that's what we're gonna do.
Oh, I hear water.
Yes. And
Not Y16. I hear a zombie as well. And lava. We're set. Okay, go down to
your
Y10.
diamonds.
Of course I hear diamonds.
The caves might be diamonds.
Yeah, I found the lava. Oh, I found the zombie too. What do you know? Oh, the zombie's in the lava. Found gold.
Torch lag. Whenever I hold a torch, I get 20 FPS.
Really?
Like 16. Yeah, I don't know why.
Or just don't even like...
Is that golds? Yeah, I found golds.
Yeah, I found gold as well.
Nice. Yes.
Yeah.
Right after
Oh.
kills took damage.
See you guys next time.
Oh, bye.